Welcome my channel. So today I would like you to explain what you use to SPSS. Okay. So the first you can go to Excel and you can copy the data. So I use sex and then rating achievement. So the data you copy in the first column in the SPSS and you copy the rating achievement. So wait a minute. Yes, you copy and you put in the second column in SPSS. After that, you can click variable view and you rename the first column and then second column. So in the first column you can rename sex and then second you can rename score. So in the label you can in the second column you write rating achievement. So you go in the value. So in the value you can rename the first column. So in the value you can write M and the label you write male and add, and the value is F and the label is female. You add and then you click OK. So you go to measure. So in the first column you can choose nominal and then in the second column you can choose scale. And then you back in the data view. So you can click analyze. You choose a descriptive statistic and you choose explore. And you can put sec in the factor list and then rating achievement in the dependent list. You click plots and you check histogram normality plot with test and then power estimation. So you can click continue and you click OK. So the data you have test of normality and test homogeneity of variance. So this is data test of normality and you can see the histogram male and female in the rating achievement. So if you check the hypothesis, you can click analyze again and you choose compare means and you click independent sample t-test. You put sec in the grouping variable and then the rating achievement in the test variable. If you have two groups, you can define groups. You click define groups and group 1 you can write male, and in group 2 you can write female. Click continue and you click OK. So this a hypothesis, group statistic, and then independent sample t-test. So I explain how about the data. So first, we have the research question. Is there any mean difference in rating achievement between male and female? So you have the hypothesis HO, there is no significant mean difference in rating achievement between male and female, and HA, there is a significant mean difference in rating achievement between male and female. And I have descriptive statistic. So, in this table, the average rating score of male is higher than that of females. However, the scores of females are more spread out, while the scores of males are more homogeneous. As a result, the distribution of both scores approaches normality. So we have the test of normality. So you can see SIG in the table. So in the Kolmogorov-Smirnov, female have the 0.04 H, and then male have 0.2. So in the male data, the distribution is normal because both normality tests show p-value greater than 0.05. Meanwhile, in the female data, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test show as a p-value below than 0.05, while the Shapiro-Wilk test indicates a normal distribution. Therefore, it can be concluded that the data is approximately normal. So, the next is homogeneity of variance test. So, in this data, you can look in this column SIG. So in the significant or SIG column, the result is above 0.05, so the data is considered equal. Yes, you can see in the SIG, the column SIG. And next is group statistic. So in this hypothesis testing, you can look the mean. So remark the rating achievement of male group is better than the female group. You can see the mean in the table mean. The male group is better than the female group. And then we go to independent sample t-test. So in the T, you can see the T and you can see DF in the equal variance assumed. So the T is 0.966 and then DF is 122, and then the P is 0.322. So the test fails to reject the HO. So the conclusion, there is no significant mean difference in rating achievement between male and female. So sorry, I wrong writing in the word. So The conclusion is there is no significant mean difference in writing achievement between male and female. So I think that's all about my explanation. Thank you so much.